How to add modpacks to SKLauncher. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add modpacks to SKLauncher. First thing you're going to do is to search for Minecraft modpacks and click this link right here. Then, in this page, click the modpack that you would like to add to your SKLauncher. Then, click the download button beside it. Wait for 5 minutes for your modpack to start downloading. If it doesn't start, then click on this link provided here. Next, open up SKLauncher and click on Installation Manager. But since I don't have it installed at the moment, I'm going to tell you what you have to do. On your Installation Manager page, click Import Modpack and select the modpack you just installed. Then, click Open. Now just wait for it to be installed. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!